soldiers stood amidst preparations for battle. The training grounds were alive with the clatter of swords and the pounding of feet. Although he was skilled in combat, a deep fear lingered in his heart. Marcus, recently converted to Christianity, had heard sermons about God's promises and the power of prayer. Yet the looming conflict threatened. Undipped below the horizon, Marcus, clutching his leather-bound Bible, found a quiet corner in the tent. He remembered his pastor's words during a sermon. "Have I not commanded you? Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid, do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go." These words from the book of Joshua resounded in his mind, offering him solace and strength. Determined to confront his fears, Marcus knelt down and began to pray fervently. He asked for courage, protection for his comrades, and peace within his heart. As he whispered his earnest prayer, a gentle calm washed over him, soothing his anxieties and filling him with an uncommon resolve. The very next morning, as the soldiers lined up to march into battle, Marcus felt an unusual peace in contrast to the turmoil of war. He recalled the promises he had read. "The Lord himself goes before you and will be with you. He will never leave you nor forsake you." With each step, he felt a reassuring presence beside him, a manifest of his faith and trust in God. When the battle commenced, Marcus fought valiantly and with a sense of purpose. His fear was not absent, but it was overshadowed by his newfound courage. He could feel the support of something greater, guiding his actions and protecting him as arrows flew. Miraculously, Marcus survived the fierce battle without harm, just as he had prayed. Returning to camp, he couldn't help but thank God for his deliverance, sharing his testimony with fellow soldiers who marveled at his bravery. Through Marcus's story, an important lesson is learned. True courage is found in prayer and endurance in God's faithful promises. Be strong and courageous. Do not be afraid. Do not be discouraged, for the Lord your God will be with you wherever you go.